Hatanat sports jong sarkar jela kala jied kendai ngut ki samla ki ban cha pentepet hak ikam ïalehkai hapoh ka star program ban yo mi khmat syaki lempung ïalehkai hakari India bat shabari ru kumju. Kita ki kendai ngut ki bala sya jied ki dei na preng ki khatsan hajar ngut ki bala sya pej benia. Uyan Campbell unong khur takma Olympics kari Australia naka edge 10. Ulayat keleng ga jela ban wat ki samla ki bran sam lingba ka ni ka program jong ka sarkar. Hakanok pai singi jong ka khandru tarik unai lar arjar pulai menteri rangba ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ula let banya kendu yaki khana ïalehkai ha sai center nihu ban ai men sim yaki.
And nobody in the history of that state has ever got an opportunity like this. This is the first time it's happening. So you're very lucky, you should remember. And we're all there to work with you. And I really wish you all the very best. And I really hope the very best for all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? Take care. Yeah. So we are here in the Sai complex, and we are with the Super Elite Pathway Program participants and the sportsmen who have been selected for this Super Elite Pathway Program. As you can see, these are our 9 sportspersons who have been selected out of more than 15,000 people who are screened throughout the state. And they are, as I said, as the name suggests, they are in the super elite category. And we as a state have decided that we want to move scientifically and in an organized manner to see that Meghalaya starts getting medals at the national and international level. And that is why a systematic program has been developed. And today, these athletes who are there in front of us are being trained by one of the best coaches in one of the best programs, and given all the facilities, and at the same time not compromising on their education. So we are giving a very specialized program for them, and I am sure that with all the facilities and more importantly their talent and their hard work, I am very sure that we will come out successful, and one day, if not all, some of them will get medals for the state and make our state and make our country proud in the Olympic Games also. So I wish them and I wish the entire team that is behind them the very best for the coming days. And I have requested them that having a talent is one part, but having the determination to move forward in it and having the discipline to continue the hard work is another part. And hence the second part is now dependent on them. And I'm hopeful that they will be disciplined, they will work hard, and come out successful at the end of the program.
And get more national qualifiers. But we're still in the early part of the preparation phase. So what you'll see at the early October is vastly different from today in terms of performance. And the boys ran personal bests in the 60 metres today in the pouring rain.
Right.